Hello and hi friends, my name is Suraj Chauhan and you're watching my channel Tech. So friends, today in this video I'm going to discuss and resolve this issue wherever you were not able to find the console on the Chrome or any browser. So we can fix this thing in your PC by yourself. In this video I'm going to show you how can you open the console on your Chrome. So first of all you have to click on the Chrome. Afterward on the Chrome you have to click on the three dot options on the right hand side of your tabs. Then you have to click on the more tools. Then on the last option, developer tools, you have to click on this. Now you can see that the console has been open. The all elements and the consoles were open over here, and the error field has been showing on this interference. So this was it. If you wanted to open in Firefox, the same method you can use there also. The same method happens with UC browser, Chrome and Firefox. So this was the method. Hope this video helped you out. Then please give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If you have any problem regarding any kind of Windows issue, you can leave your comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 10 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.